Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, have captured human imagination for centuries. Their size alone is awe-inspiring, but it's their intelligence, emotions, and social bonds that make them truly extraordinary. Found in Africa and Asia, elephants are more than just animals, they're vital players in the ecosystems they inhabit. What's remarkable about elephants is how closely their lives mirror our own. They form lifelong friendships, mourn the dead, protect the young, and even seem to show joy when reuniting after long separations. These complex emotions reveal that elephants are not just creatures of instinct, they're creatures of feeling and memory. In this journey, we'll explore what makes elephants so fascinating, from their physical power and family structure to the deep intelligence and role in nature. So, get ready to meet the true giants of the animal kingdom. An adult African elephant can weigh up to 12,000 pounds and stand over 10 feet tall at the shoulder. Their size gives them few natural enemies, but it also means they need to eat an enormous amount, about 300 pounds of food every day. They spend up to 16 hours daily grazing on grasses, fruits, bark, and leaves to fuel their massive bodies. Despite their bulk, elephants are surprisingly graceful. They can walk silently thanks to the cushion-like pads on their feet, which absorb sound and shock. And although they look slow, elephants can actually run up to 25 miles per hour, an impressive speed for such large creatures. Their physical power extends to their trunks, an incredible combination of strength and precision. The trunk, which is actually a fusion of the nose and upper lip, contains over 40,000 muscles. It can uproot trees, lift heavy logs, or gently pick up a single blade of grass. The elephant's trunk is perhaps the most versatile tool in the animal world. It's used for breathing, smelling, drinking, touching, grabbing, and even communicating. When elephants greet each other, they often intertwine trunks, a gesture similar to a human handshake or hug. Elephants can use their trunks to suck up water, holding as much as 2 gallons at once before spraying it into their mouths or onto their backs to cool off. But the trunk isn't just about strength, it's also about sensitivity. Elephants can use it to detect faint scents miles away, helping them find food or sense danger. Scientists have observed elephants using their trunks as tools, plucking branches to swat flies, digging for water, or even using leaves as makeshift umbrellas during rain. This level of ingenuity showcases how adaptable and intelligent these animals truly are. Elephants have some of the largest brains of any land mammal, weighing around 11 pounds. Their intelligence rivals that of dolphins and great apes. They recognize themselves in mirrors, solve problems, and demonstrate complex emotions such as empathy and grief. In the wild, elephants use their intelligence to navigate large territories, remember water sources from years ago, and even coordinate with other herds. Their incredible memory has inspired the saying, "An elephant never forgets," and it's true that they can recall individuals and places after decades. Their brains also make them deeply emotional beings. Elephants have been seen comforting distressed companions, celebrating births, and standing vigil over deceased family members. This emotional depth sets them apart as some of the most compassionate animals on the planet. Elephants live in tight-knit groups led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and wisest female. Her experience guides the herd to food and water, especially during tough seasons. The group typically includes mothers, daughters, sisters, and the young, while males leave the herd when they reach adolescence. Family bonds are incredibly strong. Calves are cared for not just by their mothers but by aunties in the herd, who help raise and protect them. The entire group will rally around a struggling baby, showing extraordinary teamwork and empathy. Communication within the herd is sophisticated. Elephants use trumpeting calls, rumbling sounds, and even vibrations through the ground, known as infrasound, to stay connected across long distances. It's a social network as complex as our own. Elephants are known as ecosystem engineers because they shape the environment around them. As they move through forests and savannas, they clear paths, spread seeds, and create watering holes used by other animals. Without elephants, many ecosystems would struggle to survive. In African savannas, elephants help maintain balance by preventing overgrowth of trees, keeping the grasslands open for antelopes, zebras, and other grazers. In Asian forests, they disperse seeds from fruit trees, ensuring the next generation of plants can grow. Their dung is also full of nutrients that enrich the soil and feed insects, a perfect example of how every part of an elephant's life contributes to nature's cycle. Truly, elephants are gardeners of the wild. Sadly, elephants face serious threats from poaching, habitat loss, and human conflict. Despite global bans, the illegal ivory trade continues to claim thousands of elephant lives each year. Their habitats are shrinking as farms and cities expand, leaving them less space to roam. When elephants wander into farmland, conflicts with humans can turn deadly for both sides. Yet, it's important to remember that these animals are simply trying to survive in a world that's rapidly changing around them. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these giants, from anti-poaching patrols to wildlife corridors that connect fragmented habitats. But the future of elephants depends on global awareness and compassion. Elephants remind us of the beauty, intelligence, and emotional depth found in nature. They are more than symbols of strength, they are proof that life on Earth is deeply connected. Protecting them means protecting the ecosystems they support and the legacy they represent. Every action, from avoiding ivory products to supporting wildlife conservation, helps ensure that future generations can see elephants roaming free. These animals have walked the earth for millions of years, shaping landscapes and touching hearts along the way. So, the next time you see an elephant, in the wild, in a documentary, or even in a story, remember, you're looking at one of Earth's most extraordinary survivors, a true giant of wisdom and grace.